Alright, what's up, Scrub Lords? I know it's been a month or two, maybe a little bit longer since my last video. It was a very soft way to say video. Yeah, my last video. During that time I went home from California to Mississippi, which was exciting. I was reunited with Old Faithful, the original go-kart one I started out with as a kid, basically. So I guess I'll show you a little bit about that and show you what I've been up to. I just basically restarted to get to work on go-karts and all that. My old go-kart broke whenever I stopped recording videos because the wheel fell off. Literally, the fucking wheel just fell off. It tried to kill me, which was exciting. And I kind of was like, I'll get around to it, and then found out I was going home, so I said I'll wait till I go home to grab a good frame that's not as sketchy. And now I'm back. I guess I'll show you what I'm up to. And meanwhile, I'm working on exhaust, so I'm making exhaust for my old motor so it doesn't burn my face. So I guess I'll put in clips of that, and it'll be a grand old time. It's good to see you too. Yeah.
Damn.
Alrighty, I know it's been a while, but this is where my go-karts have been residing these days. This is also Evie's home, and Sophie's. Hello, girls. Hey, Sophie. Okay, let me show. But yeah, this is the go-kart that started it all. This is my childhood go-kart. It's got a few interesting features. Like my favorite would be the old limited edition stop sign floor pan, because I'm from Mississippi and that's where we get our floor pans from. We've got this super sweet brake setup, and I think is pretty weird because it's backwards, at least backwards to what I'm used to. It's got this super sweet shield because your head sits fucking right here. I'll probably climb in this bad girl later to show you it. This used to be a oval kart, if you can't tell by the weird wheel setup. I don't know if I'm going to grab the Hoosiers and put them on. One of them's got a flat. But yeah, this thing is, with me, this is what got me into go-karts. This is the one, man. Here, I'm going to climb in here real quick so you can see how much you're legitimately leaning back. Like you're straight reclining. Hey, Pop-Tart. What are you doing over there? Yeah, fuck you too. Sorry about the zoo, guys. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, you can see that, right? Oh yeah. Evie, don't fuck with that camera. Oh yeah. As you can see, when you're in this bad boy, you're straight up relaxing. I'm just cruising down. Sophie. What? What? What do you want from me? What? Sophie. Sophie, Dave's trying to shoot a video. Evie, you too. Back up. Oh. Oh dear. Got caught. I'm bucking in it. Oh. She's not the easiest go-kart to get out of. And yeah, I guess I can show you what happened to the other go-kart too. So, a couple months ago, probably about when I stopped making videos, that happened. Like there's one wheel, there's the other. Well, here it is. There's the other wheel. And she just gave up. She just came off when I was riding her. So, yeah, well, it's kind of scary. Almost killed me. It was pretty tight. No parts cart. That's had basically every single part pulled off of her for this hunk of shit. So I don't know what exactly I'm going to take off of this cart right here. Put on this girl. Like, I know the fuel tank's going off of this one and going on there. And I know the motor, no, the motor mounts are staying on this one. I guess it doesn't help having one in the shade, one in the sun. It's not really good for recording videos, but I've never been known for being really good at recording videos. I think I'm going to take this sprocket off. I like this gear ratio. I'm going to put on that one, maybe. I'm going to go back to a clutch. I'm not going to have the torque converter anymore. It's just giving me too many problems. And yeah, this is the old girl. She's going to be up and ripping in no time. I can't wait to show y'all her then. Till then, peace. Say bye, Sophie. Sophie. Say bye. Or don't. Evie. Say bye, Evie. Bye, guys.